Most people use ElevenLabs the wrong way. They paste a script, hit generate, and hope it sounds good. Sometimes it works, most times it doesn't. The difference between average audio and something that actually sounds human comes down to settings. So here are 11 ElevenLabs settings that change everything. And once you fix these, your voiceovers sound completely different. First, stability. This is the big one. High stability equals flat voice. Lower it slightly to add emotion and variation. Second, clarity plus similarity boost. Too high can make the voice sound forced. Keep it balanced so it stays natural. Third, style or style exaggeration, if available. This controls how expressive the voice gets. Small adjustments here can add personality. Fourth, speaker boost. Makes the voice stronger and clearer, especially for shorts and mobile viewers. Fifth, voice selection. Not all voices are equal. Adam is safe, Brian is more human, Rachel is more expressive. Choosing the right one matters more than any setting. Sixth, speed, playback rate. Slightly increase speed to around 1.1 times for better retention on short-form content. Seventh, punctuation in script. Not a setting inside the tool, but it acts like one. Commas, pauses, and line breaks control how the AI speaks. Eighth, text chunking. Don't generate long paragraphs. Break your script into smaller parts for better control and fewer mistakes. Ninth, regeneration strategy. Don't keep regenerating full scripts. Fix small sections instead. This saves credits and improves quality. 10th, background noise or input quality for cloning. If you're cloning a voice, clean input equals better output. Bad audio equals robotic results. 11th, testing before full generation. Always test a short sentence first. Lock your settings, then run the full script. Now here's the truth. Most people blame ElevenLabs when the output sounds robotic, but it's not the tool, it's how you're using it. Quick recap. Lower stability, balance clarity, choose the right voice, use punctuation, generate in small chunks. These small tweaks completely change how your audio sounds. So if your ElevenLabs output still feels off, don't switch tools. Fix these settings first, because once you dial this in, your voiceovers don't just sound better, they sound real. And that's what actually keeps people watching. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.